Hi, my friends. Good evening. Are you ready to come with me to Jumbo 1? Jumbo 1. Who is Jumbo? Who is Jumbo? Jumbo is elephant. And 1 is forest. Yes. So I'm going to take you to the elephant forest. Jumbo 1. Right? Come, let's go. That was a thick forest, dense forest, lot of trees, lot of shade, and lot of fruits in the trees, and a nice river flowing by. That is Jumbo 1. And many elephants lived there. Many other animals also lived there, but there were many elephants. Out of all the elephants, there lived a very naughty one, not even naughty, mischievous, very mischievous and very troublesome also. And his name was Jumbo. So Jumbo always used to treat other small animals in a different way. Jumbo always had an opinion that he was mighty, big, powerful, and all the other animals were small, tiny, and useless. So it used to always tease other animals, bully other animals, give trouble to other creatures. It used to go to the river every day to take a nice bath. It will dip itself inside the river for hours together and enjoy a wonderful bath. On the way, there lived a small family of ants, red ants. You know red ants, isn't it? Such a small insect, red color insect, and it lived with its family. So this Jumbo, whenever it goes to the river, used to see the family of ants and say, "You tiny people, you are such small creatures. Why are you living in the same jungle where animals like myself are living? We are the big and mighty, and you are such tiny insects. Run away from this forest." So it used to always tease and give trouble and bully those ants. So as a habit, what it used to do is, after taking bath in the river, it will suck a full trunk full of water. You have seen the trunk of an elephant, right? Big, lengthy one, like a big pipe. So from the river, it used to suck water, the trunk full, and while returning, it used to splash the water on the ant family. So imagine what will happen. Like waterfalls, the water from the elephant's trunk used to come very forcefully and attack the small ants. So when the water comes so fast, all the ants will tumble and tumble and tumble and tumble and will spread hither and thither, will run away in the water. No, it will suffocate. It will not be able to breathe properly. It will all suffer. And once the speed of the water is calmed down, only then the ants will be able to breathe. So every day when Jumbo comes like this, it was a torture for the ant family. So the ants were telling Jumbo, we are not troubling you in any way. You are such a big animal. Don't you have brains? Please leave us alone. Don't trouble us. But the elephant never listened to this. It was so happy splashing water and hurting all the ants. So one day what happened? When the elephant was coming back from the river and when it was trying to splash the water, one ant from the ant family, it was called as Rinky. So Rinky got very, very angry, very upset, and it told its family, now you all watch, I am going to teach a lesson to Jumbo. So what did it do? It quietly slipped from the family and climbed upon Jumbo and went inside its ears. When Jumbo came with a trunk full of water to splash on the ants, Rinky in the elephant's ears started biting him. And it was, how it will be if the red ant bites. It was so painful. It was like a sting. So Jumbo could not bear it. So Rinky went inside, round and round and round inside the ears and started biting Jumbo. Started biting him very, very hard. So elephant could not splash the water on the ants, but it was splashing the water upon itself. It didn't know what is happening. So it moved its head like this and this and this in pain. Then finally it started crying, could not bear the pain. So once it started crying, Rinky came out of the ears and stood down. Then it called Jumbo and said, look Jumbo, you know what happened? I, the tiny ant, just now got into your ears. And did you understand how painful I could be? Now you be very, very careful. Don't ever treat any animal according to its size or might. You can be big. We can be small. But that's not an issue. You live your life, we will live our life. If you start hurting us, all of us, all our family will get into your ears. And you know what will happen? You will become mad and run out of the forest. So be careful, said Rinky. Now Jumbo said, oh my God, okay, I never understood the power of an ant. If the ant goes inside, one ant goes inside my ears and it can create so much pain, what will happen to me if all the ants get inside my ears? So hereafter, I will behave properly and will not trouble, tease or bully any other animal. Saying this, the elephant asked sorry and it really asked for apology to the ant's family and said, hereafter we will all live together very friendly. Okay, saying this, Jumbo moved and the ant family were very happy because of the intelligence of Rinky. Their trouble vanished. Okay, see you tomorrow with another story. You all take care till then, right? Bye.